Welcome you all to this 12 portal. Just sit in a calm, cool place. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your back straight. Start taking a deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Just relax. Whatever those thoughts which are coming to you right now, don't get carried away with that thought. Bring your thought back to where you are right now. Come on, camera. Each one of you, you are receiving this energy. It's a very power which you cannot even believe the energy, how it flows, how it connects. Come on, camera. Sit with your back straight. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. पानी है ना मजा
Just relax. Observe your breath and observe your feelings. What is that feeling coming to you right now? Just that feeling is very, very important. Whatever is the thought which is coming in, it's all right. Don't get carried away. Just bring it back your thought again to the where you are right now. Just be in this energy. Keep your cameras on. It's okay wherever you are. It's a collection of energy getting exchanged to each other. Keep a smile on your face. Keep that feeling which is connecting you to whatever is that energy. Whichever is the problem or the situation, whatever is coming to you, just avoid or neglect that right now. Bring it back your energy as if you are not on this planet. You are in a the one more existing universe you are sitting right now. And every energy, every power is within you. Just see with your closed eyes, feel that energy around. Look into, maybe you can see some stars. Maybe you're seeing some elements. I don't know what are you being able to see. Just forget your this present right now, this world, this everything. You just forget everything of this present. Get into that world which exists where you are the most powerful person in that world. And that isn't accessible to you right now. Take a deep in breath and release. Bring that smile on your face. Feel the energy around, seeing that everything what you are been waiting for, looking for, always wanting for, and everything is so easily available for you there. Everything is around. You can just pick up. You want money? You can pick up. You want some trips? You can pick up. You want some clothes? You can pick up. You want some best relation? Just see your relation, whichever is that relation you are, waiting for. Just connect that energy. Keep seeing every happy moments of your life, not the past, all future. All these are future of you. And you are one of the powerful, energetic, blissful person who's very calm, very relaxed, achieved everything in life. You have every small desire of yours done with you. Like, yeah, everything is done. Now I just have my own self to connect with. Just relax and see your that future self of yours, that new identity of yourself, who is so powerful. The minute you think of something, it's there for you. Thinking something for a child, it's there for you. Thinking something for the husband, it's there for you. Wanting to manifest a husband, a partner, he's there in front of you or she's there in front of you. Anything is possible in this world. You are sitting in that world. It's a special moment, special time, the best time of your life. Maybe you have never dared to look into your this future. See that now. See it as clarity you can see. What is that toughest thing which you feel you can never have in this world? And that's so easily available for you in that world. It's just there for you. Observe your feeling now. See what is your heart telling you. What is your body feeling? Just observe your feelings. Connecting with your body. Don't just go with the mind. Just see how your heart is happily jumping. So happy because he or she it likes your this future self who has no fear, no doubts. This future self of you has everything in life. Whatever is this holding was, it's only you who were holding to see yourself. You're not able to see yourself because of only you. Now just open your that door of new future of yours where you have every happy moments. See yourself smiling, see yourself dancing, see yourself flying with the clouds. You can walk on clouds. There's a genie who is standing in front of you. You just need to tell this genie, I need this. That's it. You need to just keep on ordering. Now, for next 2 minutes, with your this high energy, I'm not going to guide anything. You are going ahead and seeing your that future self and achieving things, ordering everything to genie. Just forget your present. Take a deep in breath and release. Continue to experience yourself this future with every smallest thing. Take a deep in breath and release. Bring that smile on your face. Your heart is dancing. You're so happy to see your this future self. Keep on smiling. Continue to smile. Just keep that smile on. Go on seeing some of the things which you have never thought. You have that capability to see things which you never even thought you can see. Power is there in us. Challenges, we are always in this present with fear. Just be in that energy of future of yours. Your future self is, nobody can stop you. You are, you are connecting your energy and you're receiving your energy from all the five elements. The minute I say each element, see yourself with that element of universe. Feel your physical body connecting to this element. Earth element, wherever you are sitting right now, experience that energy coming to you in your body from the earth element. Feel that vibrations. It's entering entire your body. Each cell is getting guided. Everywhere you can connect, and each cell is receiving that safe and secure feeling because there is a Mother Earth who is holding you, who is there around you. You don't need to worry about. You are always taken care. You are always in her lap. Mother Earth is always holding you. Feel that safe and secure yourself being with her energy. Bring that smile back and say thank you to Mother Earth. Thank you, Ma, being with me always. Now, connect your energy to the water element. Feel that entire body is full of water. Every nook and corner of your physical body is water element. And you are so much blessed with this water element every single moment of your life. Receive the blessing of water. And say thank you to water element who has kept you so much fit and healthy throughout in life. Every single moment you're receiving the water element blessing you. Say thank you to water. Take a deep breath and release. Completely relax. Release that any stress which can connect you right now or brings you any kind of stress. You feel just relaxed. Now you are connecting your energy, the blessings from the fire element. Just look into the diya which you light every single day to God. See that diya and receive that blessing from diya. Every single day when you light the diya to God, you are receiving the energy of blessing from diya. Observe your feelings looking at the diya. It's spreading that entire blessing to my entire home. See that energy spreading. Feel that blessing. Observe your goosebumps. Bring that smile that you are always been blessed by fire element. Take a deep breath. Deep in breath and release. Now the air, the breathe. Every single moment you are breathing in and out. Such a valuable element, and we never even observe or notice about this powerful element. Take a deep in breath and say thank you so much. Receive that blessing from the air element which is entering throughout your body and giving you that each cell that power, the energy. With the blessing, receiving this energy, move on to space element. We are always under the sky, the space, which is always, you need to feel that secure. All the five elements are taking care of you. Feel that secure, that safety, that comfort. You don't need to worry about so much about every single thing. Allow it to enter all the elements in your body. And every element is securing you, helping you, taking care of you. And you are always safe and secure. Feel that secure feeling, comfort feeling, and strong happiness inside. Keep your hands with the prayer. हाथ जोड़ो अपना. Come on camera guys. हाथ जोड़ो. You can gently open your eyes. Keep your eyes open and अपने आप से हाथ जोड़ के pray to all the five elements. Say thank you so much for always taking care of me And wherever I am right now, I am happy, safe, secure, comfort, and with abundance in life. Repeat all the sentences. Gently open your eyes with the smile. With the smile. Come on, camera, all of you. Bring that smile within you. Come on, camera, all of you. Now, I want to little bit help you understand why I wanted to talk about this five element. More than five element for the 12-12 portal, also little explanation I'll give you now. Since we joined at the time of 12 o'clock exactly, I wanted to get you all into that energy. In this 20 minutes, whoever felt from this level to this level energy, just hold your hands like this. I would like to connect with people who are just in camera. Can you feel this energy? Already you are at high. And it took me just 20 minutes to make you believe that. It's not just that I told and I tried making you believe. It's already there. There is nothing I told extra. And we all know this. We all know this. We are always been there protected by the five elements. There is a universe, there is an energy, everything we know. But we think everything we are doing, we need to do. And if I don't do, something will happen. We are always living the life in this fear. I'm not talking about this procrastination or anything right now. Again, we will get into the portal 1212. Come on camera, all of you. I will share some of very little input about what I can connect. I will share with you all. Be till the last. There is a very, very powerful one more ritual we need to do. We haven't done. One powerful ritual was this, the meditation we are done. And we have at the end one more powerful ritual. People who will stay back can get this. And there is no recordings being given this specially, the portal. Okay. So let me share my screen. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. No problem, dear. Wherever you are, just sit with just to make you all little more to connect about. Because if I make you only do directly, the subconscious mind of yours will ask you so many questions. I just want to see if I can help your subconscious mind to understand basically. So 1212 portal for wealth, which we are trying to connect, to give you a little bit about this portal, why this makes so much of importance, why are we connecting this energy right now, and how this makes us connect. It's a very important portal or the gateway. It's nothing to do with what we can see, the final energetic gateway to unlock your wealth manifestation potential. So, December 12th serves as the final major energetic gateway of the year, symbolizing completion and spiritual growth. This transformative date encourages preparation for the upcoming year and invites powerful manifestations. Its unique significance is amplified this year through the hidden wisdom of numerology, offering an exceptional opportunity for financial abundance. How is this making it? It's, I'm not into astrology, but the energy around universe is getting aligned with abundance to bless us if we can stay in the positive mindset and attract about our own energy, say the future of ours, we will track that. If we don't, if we are sitting with our own lack mindset all the time, we attract even that also, because universe doesn't know what you want. He can see your only the feelings, not even see, he can feel your feelings only. And all the time my feelings are, you guys know about it, I don't even use those words right now. The scripting method is one more which we will be doing it. Desire to manifest your abundance. Very, very powerful way is scripting. Continuously, you need to script. So go on writing repeatedly, because uh, when you write next time, just listen to me very carefully what I'm telling. It's very powerful ritual. When you're writing, literally, when you write something, don't you connect to that energy immediately? Whatever you write, your body starts feeling and connecting to that energy. And that is what the feeling needs to come in. Because if you couldn't visualize, if you couldn't listen to and see, then that's the other way is the writing. And it's a very, very powerful way. When you start writing, the images, the feelings starts immediately connecting, and that's where the body need to be aligned to that energy. Next is attract with luxury. Embrace beauty to enhance your wealth energy. Don't be always in, thinking ki keeping the, maybe like, simple examples if I can share. New cloth if you have brought, don't we do little conjuicy and keep it for some time or special occasion to wear? When you've got that, wear it and have that experience of happiness within you. I'm not even talking about luxury, I'm talking about very small things like when we buy. डोंट वी जस्ट कीप देम इनसाइड, घर में ऐसे ही रख के देखते रहते हैं, और या फिर वेट करते रहते हैं कोई अच्छी मौका आने दो? नॉट नेसेसरी. Some of your deep inside heart has craved for that. Wear it and express your this feeling. Feel that luxury within you buying that thing for you, or see that worthness when you bought this for you. When you continue to have this experience of luxury within you, you will be able to attract it. Not with sitting with that conjuicy, say, not giving anyone, not giving, or anyone to give also is very important. But things what you bought for yourself, wear it, experience that. And very important is that also. And the abundance mindset. Cultivate a mindset of financial prosperity. गाइस, इस चीज में बहुत बोलती जा रही हूँ, बट कहाँ पे कनेक्ट हो रहा है ये? हाउ इज दिस मेकिंग यू कनेक्ट? बिकॉज अबांडेंस को हमें सिर्फ वही देखना है, बहुत सारे अबांडेंस, अपनी लैक माइंडसेट वाली बैंक अकाउंट को नहीं देखनी है. वी नीड टू गो ऑन सीइंग क्या क्या है अबांडेंस हमें देखने के लिए जिंदगी में. हर जगह पे तुम्हें देखने के लिए मिलेगा, और फीलिंग लाने की जरूरत है. और हम देखते क्या है, लैक वाली चीजें देखते हैं, और इसीलिए हमको लैक दिखता रहता है. Start shifting your mindset. There's abundance of flowers, trees, nature, mud, earth में, घर में देख लो. You have some fruits, some vegetables, या फिर सारे बुक्स है, बहुत सारी चीजें, एवरीथिंग जो ज्यादा है उसको देखते ही अपनी एक एनर्जी दो कि वाह, ये तो मेरे साथ, मेरे पास बहुत ज्यादा है, ये तो मेरे लिए बहुत ज्यादा है. जस्ट गेट इन टू दैट एनर्जी. ये वाली अबांडेंस बोल रही हूं मैं. एंड सिंपल है ये करने के लिए, बट हम देखते नहीं है, और वो एक्सप्रेस देते नहीं है. वी डोंट इवन टॉक अबाउट इट. बताते तो है ही नहीं, एक्सप्रेस तो करते ही नहीं है. देखते ऐसे है कि मेरे मेरे पास एक ड्रेस नहीं है अभी पहनने के लिए, कहीं जा रही हूँ, उसको उसको देखते हैं. बट अगर देखो तो वार्डरोब में इतने सारे हैं, वाह मेरे पास इतने सारे कपड़े हैं. Express that once. Feel that energy within you once. This is also an energy. When you start connecting every small thing, then even money is also energy. जितनी है उसी को बोलो कि वाह मेरे पास तो इतनी ज्यादा है. Can you convert your energy and shift like this? Very important and very powerful again. How many of you are able to connect this? Yeah, as usual, we have always spoken about the one of the thing is, I have already spoken about this. इससे ज्यादा बोलना नहीं है मुझे इसके बारे में. So powerful affirmations. Why we need to keep on saying the affirmations? Because हम लोग ही अपने अंदर लैक वाली, डाउट वाली अफर्मेशंस खुद ही बोलते रहते हैं। मुंह से बोलते वक्त तो हम बोलते तो रहते हैं, बहुत सारी बोलने के लिए प्रैक्टिस करते रहते हैं कि आई एम अबंडेंस, आई एम मैग्नेट टू द मनी। बट अंदर क्या चल रहा है? द मिनट किसी चीज की भी कुछ भी आती है, अंदर से फिर से वही आवाज आ रही है कि ये तो नहीं है, मुझे तो देने के लिए आज नहीं था, मुझे इसे आज नहीं मिल सकती, आज इसका कॉल नहीं ले सकती। कितनी सारी अंदर की जो चल रही है। वी नीड टू बिकम नेचुरली, अंदर भी बाहर भी, विथ पॉजिटिव अफर्मेशंस। तो वो करने के लिए हम अफर्म करो, पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स अफर्म करो बोल रहे हैं। बट सुबह एक बार कर दिया और दिन भर पूरे नेगेटिव में रहोगे तो कोई फायदा नहीं है। सुबह सुबह अच्छी फीलिंग तो आएगी, फिर दिन में कुछ होते ही डाउन। एंड कोई आएगा नहीं तुम्हें बताने के लिए कि नहीं भाई तुम लो फील कर रहे हो, अभी उठ जाओ, अभी पावरफुल हो जाओ, अभी तुम्हारे पास एनर्जी। नो। एंड उसके लिए तुम कर क्या रहे हो? नथिंग। खुद के लिए खुद में नेगेटिव तो इतना रहते भी हो, एंड यू आर नॉट यूजिंग एनी हेल्प देयर, थिंकिंग कि मैं खुद कर पाऊंगी। नो, इट्स इन वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट एरिया। यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन दैट एरिया। देर इज सो मच ऑफ पावरफुल एनर्जी इज अराउंड। हम उसको देखते भी नहीं है, फील भी नहीं करते हैं। हमें सिर्फ लैक, डाउट, शक, नहीं है, आता नहीं है, पता नहीं है, इसी में जीते रहते हैं। अगर इसमें जीते जीते तुम दिन में 24 घंटे में एक एक 15 मिनट आके या 5 मिनट्स आके तुम अफर्मेशन बोल दोगे तो कहाँ से आएगी वो एनर्जी? कैसे अट्रैक्ट करोगे जो चाहिए? आई एम सॉरी, मुझे गुस्सा आ जाता है बिकॉज आई डू दिस, आई हैव डन दिस। मैंने किया हुआ है, आई हैव गॉन थ्रू दिस काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन। until and unless I stood for myself and took that action step to work with a mentor, nothing shifted in my energy. Honestly, I'm telling you. आज इसी पोर्टल पे मैं अपना हार्ट टच करके बोलती हूँ, जब तक मैंने किसी के साथ कंटिन्यूअसली इस पे काम नहीं किया, it didn't go. Now it is like constantly I'm in the something or the other positive feeling only. हर वक्त मेरा दिल सोचता ही रहता है कि किसके लिए क्या करूं, किसको क्या बोलूं, किसको क्या हेल्प करूं। कांस्टेंट मेरा वो सारी चीजों से शिफ्ट हो गया इतना पावरफुली। बिलीव मी, इट्स नॉट इजी। बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट है। मैं 25 साल जी चुकी हूं ऐसी वाली जिंदगी ऑलरेडी। यस। One, some of the powerful affirmations I'm trying to share with you all here. I forgive my past money mistakes and step into a new timeline of abundance. You can take a screenshot or I can share this screen to you all. Keep on telling this to yourself. You're releasing that past energy and you're looking forward for the abundance energy of your future. And when you say this, ऐसे ही बोलने के लिए नहीं बोलना है। बस मैं बोलने के लिए, पढ़ने के लिए हम बहुत सारी चीजें पढ़ते हैं। अगर तुम अफर्मेशंस भी ऐसे पढ़ोगे तो नो रिजल्ट्स। क्या है वो भी एक वर्ड्स था, एक भी एक लेटर था वो। तुम्हारी फीलिंग्स क्या आ रही है जब इसको पढ़ रहे हो? तुम्हारी क्या कनेक्ट हो रही है? बॉडी, हार्ट, स्टमक, हेड, नेक, कहीं पे तो कुछ तो होना चाहिए तुम्हें। यू नीड टू फील दैट एनर्जी, तब जाके इट विल रीच टू द यूनिवर्स। आई फॉरगिव माई पास्ट मिस्टेक्स। अगर लग रहा है कि या आई हैव डन लॉट ऑफ दिस पास्ट मिस्टेक, फील दोज मिस्टेक्स ऑफ योर्स एंड सी दैट गेटिंग रिलीज्ड फ्रॉम योर बॉडी, एंड देन स्टेप इन टू अ न्यू टाइमलाइन ऑफ अबांडेंस। हर वक्त सिर्फ एक ही तुम ये अफर्मेशंस करते रहोगे तो काफी टाइम लगेगा, बट तुम नहीं कर पाओगे। आई विल टेल यू दैट ऑल्सो माई सेल्फ, बिकॉज मैंने खुद किया है ये और मैंने नहीं कर पाई थी। आई एम अ पावरफुल मैग्नेट फॉर हाई पेइंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड डिवाइन प्रॉस्पेरिटी। दिन में इतने दिन से यू गाइज आर कनेक्टेड टू माई एनर्जी, कभी भी ऐसी सोची थी कि इतनी पावरफुल हाई पेइंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज मैं अट्रैक्ट करती हूँ? ऑल द टाइम आई एम सिटिंग कि मेरी ये जॉब चली गई है और मेरी मुझे कब मिलेगी नेक्स्ट जॉब, या फिर मैं अप्लाई कर रही हूँ, मुझे कोई जॉब नहीं मिल रही है, मुझे हमेशा ऐसी जॉब मिलती है, ऐसी बॉस मिलता है। कितने चाहिए दिन में हम जो सोचते हैं नेगेटिव थॉट्स? लिस्ट है, लिस्ट आ जाएगी। कांस्टेंट कर सकते हो उसके लिए। एंड द अदर वन इज आई हैव द माइंडसेट ऑफ अ मिलेनियर एंड माई रियलिटी रिफ्लेक्ट्स इट। ये तो बहुत दूर की है, ये वर्ड बोलने के लिए बहुत सारी एनर्जी चाहिए। बोलने के लिए, देखने के लिए, हम तो खुद देते रहते हैं। वेन एवर वी सी सम मिलेनियर्स, वी गिव एनर्जी, उनको हम दे देते हैं। बट हमारे लिए, खुद के लिए पूरा शक है। खुद के लिए खुद पे ही शक है फर्स्ट। किसी दूसरे की शक की जरूरत ही नहीं है, खुद ही शक करते हैं हम अपने अपने ऊपर। और हमेशा हमारे ही माइंडसेट के साथ लैक रहते हैं। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू एग्री? शेयर दिस थम्स अप। और एंड कुछ तो बताओ। अग्री विथ मी? Do you guys agree that it is somewhere some energy is required for you to constantly shift that, and then you will be able to achieve that level where you want to go? Because मैं जो बोल रही हूं, मैं सब कुछ पार करके एक तरफ आ गई हूं। मैं आ गई हूं, बहुत दूर आ गई हूं मैं। और जा ही रही हूं, मैं ऐसे ही जाती रहूंगी। बट तुम लोग नहीं आ पाओगे, नहीं निकलोगे मेरे साथ, तो तुम वहीं रहोगे। बट उसके लिए भी तो कुछ करना पड़ेगा ना। एंड मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? आस्क योर सेल्फ वन क्वेश्चन। फ्रॉम 2-3 डेज से हम लोग इस माइंडसेट के बारे में कुछ ना कुछ मैं क्वेश्चंस डाल रही हूँ, पोल डाल रही हूँ। व्हेन यू आर पुटिंग दैट पोल ऑल्सो, या फिर वो आंसर भी बोलते वक्त, व्हाट इज योर फीलिंग? बिकॉज वो एक सेकेंड के लिए वो थॉट आया, दैट्स इट। सेंड द मैसेज एंड इट्स गॉन, फिनिश्ड। बट आगे नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या देख रहे हो? नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या आ रही है थॉट माइंड में? बिकॉज ये रुकेगा तो बिल्कुल नहीं। ये रुकने वाली चीज नहीं है, ये मंकी है ये। मंकी भी कभी शायद सो जाएगा। हम सोते हैं तो भी उसके साथ ही सोते हैं। यस। Come, come, all of you on camera. How many you are been observing? I think सब लोग you're there in the Rich Mindset program, right? I've been connecting with and sending some energies. मुझे सबके नाम तो पता नहीं है, because you guys can connect with me. Send a message. You have something connecting to my energy. लग रहा है कि मैम I want to work. I want to understand more. I want to connect to this. मुझे लगता तो है। when मैं सुनता हूँ आपको, सुनती हूँ आपको, तो मुझे लगता तो है, बट वापस वही चला जाता है। फिर से वही रट में रहते हैं हम, दिन भर अपना काम करना, उसी में काम करते वक्त भी वही सोचना। क्योंकि वो सोचते ही वही आता रहता है और वही काम करते रहते हैं। और सुबह वही, हर रोज सोचती हूँ कि जिम जाऊंगी, आज सुबह मैं इतना वॉक कर लूंगी। फिर एंड ऑफ द डे कुछ नहीं हुआ है। अरे यार नहीं, कल तो पक्का जाऊंगी। टेल मी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू डू दिस? क्यों हम ये डबल खेल खेल रहे हैं? Who is that person who tells you कि I want to get up in the morning and I will do yoga, and throughout the day you will not do? दोनों खुद ही है ना हम ही है ना, खुद ही है ना दोनों। You want to keep that charge of that soul of yours who has a huge power. Then you're this practical or the physical body which is connected. तब वो जो मन बोल रहा है ना कि मुझे सुबह उठना है, वर्कआउट करना है, जिम जाना है, अच्छी जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करना है, कुछ नई स्किल सीखना है, या बॉस को कुछ अट्रैक्ट करना है, जो भी चीजें अच्छी सोचते रहते हो, वो भी हम खुद ही है। और जो नहीं कर पाते हैं, वो भी हम खुद ही है ना। बट वो जो है ना, जो पावर दे रहा है, बोल रहा है करने के लिए, ये सिर्फ छोटा सा पार्ट ऑफ यू। वो जो 95% जो है ना, वो मंकी माइंड है। वो फिर से ले जाता है, क्योंकि अब तक मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं, तो अब क्या करूंगी? अब क्या खाक अचीव करूंगी? अब क्या कुछ अचीव कर पाऊंगी? कुछ मिलेगा? कुछ आएगा भी? ये जो है ना, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड मंकी को लेके बैठ गया है पावरफुली। ये जो दिल बोलता रहता है कहीं पे कि नहीं यार, मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें करनी है, मेरे पास बहुत पावर्स है, मैं बहुत कुछ कर सकती हूँ। मैं अभी तो बस मिड ऑफ द एज आई हूँ, 20s में आई हूँ, 30s में आई हूँ, 40s में आई हूँ। अभी तो बहुत लंबी जिंदगी है, मैं बहुत कुछ कर सकती हूँ। बट ये जो है ना, छोटा सा ही है। इसको बड़ा बनाना है और इसको छोटा करना है। एंड ये हम खुद नहीं कर सकते। खुद करने की 100% नहीं है पावर अपने में। अगर होता तो हम कर चुके होते और पहुंच चुके होते कहीं पे। एग्री? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू वर्क विथ मी? बिकॉज ये जो पोर्टल्स तुम्हें देती जा रही हूं मैं, आई विल गो ऑन गिविंग। बट इससे फायदा कितना होगा? शाम को भी मैं अगर किसी से फोन करके बात कर लूं, तो तुम लोग 10 कंप्लेंट दे दोगे मुझे। आई डू दोज रैंडम कॉल्स कई बार टू सो मेनी पीपल, एंड आई लिसन सो मेनी कंप्लेंट्स, सो मेनी थिंग्स ऑफ लाइफ। हमको देखने की आदत सी है ऐसी, वी आर यूज टू दैट. I can do one call, that's it. I can't call hundreds of people, but you can reach me, guys. You can message me. You have a free one-to-one call connect with me for 15 minutes. मैं 10 मिनट बात कर सकती हूँ और 5 मिनट्स में मेरे पास एक पावरफुल सोल्यूशन है, दे सकती हूँ. अगर रेडी हो अपने ऊपर काम करने के लिए तभी कॉल करो, मैसेज करो. डोंट डू दैट अदरवाइज. खुद के लिए आई एम रेडी टू वर्क ऑन माई एनर्जी. I'm ready to take the next action step because मुझे बस 25 is also gone. Tell me how many of you had the same kind of a vision in the 2025 beginning. जनवरी में कितने लोगों ने सोचा था कि मुझे ये करना था, ये करना है, वो करूंगी, ये अचीव करूंगी. आ गए दिसंबर में. 15 days more. That's it. Over. एंड 26 भी ऐसे ही जाएगा, 27 भी ऐसे ही जाएगा, 28 भी ऐसे ही जाएगा. गाइस 2023 जनवरी में मैंने ये उठाया अपने मन को कि बोला कि नहीं, नॉट एनी मोर. किरण, नो, दिस इज नॉट यू. तुम ऐसे जिंदगी पूरी तरह से नहीं गुजार सकती हो. आगे वाली जिंदगी का तुम्हें लेनी है चार्ज. आई टुक दैट एक्शन स्टेप. 23, 24, 25. वाओ. I don't have the copy of my vision board to show you like things what all I have achieved in this entire जनवरी मैंने जो किया था और दिसंबर में अगर मैं देखूं तो wow, that's how the vision board can give you the powers. And again I'll start with my vision board which I have achieved first because तभी subconscious mind को belief होगा. विजन बोर्ड तो हम बहुत सारी रख सकते हैं बट कुछ किया ही नहीं है अब तक तो कहां से मिलेगा. कॉन्शियस माइंड को सबकॉन्शियस माइंड बिलीव नहीं करेगा. इट विल नॉट बिलीव. जो भी तुम रख के देखती रहो, बोलती रहो, बट डाउट अंदर का अंदर ही रहेगा. द मिनट यू हैव अचीव्ड वन स्मॉल थिंग एंड कीप दैट इन योर विजन बोर्ड एंड बिलीव दैट ये जब हो सकता है तो ये सारी चीजें हो सकती है. आई रियली वर्क differently on achieving those desires of yours with the vision board, different tools and techniques because everybody is different with their own energy. कोई फिक्स्ड एंड फास्ट एंड टफ एंड रफ एंड स्ट्रिक्ट रूल नहीं है. ओके, रेडी फॉर द ऑफर. People who are ready to take that action step, please stay. After this offer, I have a powerful ritual to finish in 10 minutes more. And I am trying to make this so simple way to make this unique. I'm opening up this big portal for the starter kit. And this is whatever I'm offering right now. Everything will start from January 15th. And after once I come back, this will be the actual price, 14,999 for 3 months. People who are booking right now with 1,000 rupees, they will be paying the balance 3,999 before 15th of January and they will start with me the work for 3 months. And the result of 3 months, 3 months may I will be going live in the morning. As of now, I have decided in the morning. I will see the crowd. I'll take a call on the time. Every day for 5 days a week. If you start listening to me with all these positive words, the sentences, what I'm trying to make you visualize, connect, write, everything for next 3 months when you start doing with me, can you imagine your energy at least getting shifted there? It makes a huge transformation within you. Then slowly you are this जो इतना सा पावर जो बचा है ना वो बढ़ता जाएगा और ये थोड़ी सी घटती जाएगी बिकॉज व्हेन यू स्टार्ट डूइंग दीज थिंग्स एवरीथिंग विल स्टार्ट कमिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू बिकॉज ब्रेन को एविडेंस चाहिए. एक छोटी सी चीज भी अपने मैनिफेस्ट कर ली या फिर कुछ हो गया जो सोचा था, जो लिखा था, दैट्स वेयर द शिफ्ट स्टार्ट्स हैपनिंग एंड इट विल स्टार्ट हैपनिंग विद इन अ वीक. 5 days भी when you sit like this, it will happen. I will give you this with evidence. आज हम कितने लोग हैं यहाँ पे? 17 people are there. People who have attended already the meditation now and the last ritual. They will manifest something without their own knowledge and they will share something to me back. कि ma'am, you remember we did it on 12/12 the portal. I attracted this. I will write and give you this because every time I do this, I receive that message from कहीं से उनको attract हो जाता है. And within 5 days, the starts shift in your energy. And 3 months is a big time which I'll be taking. And people who are ready to move on with, you will get the my support. I will be there because 2026, you don't want to be the same again. You want to welcome your 2026 with full powerful. The next deal I have is for 6 months. Once I'm back, I'm going to launch this for 19,999. Today, who are booking it with 2,000 rupees, they will get this for 9,999. Balance they can pay 7,999 before the session starts. And this is going to be for 6 months continuous support, hand holding. 6 months mein to like you will be huge shifted your powers. You will transform your energy to yourself, which you have. You also don't know what personality of yours you can be. You don't know actually because you have never seen your that future. You haven't seen yourself like that at all. कभी नहीं देखा है तुम लोगों ने अपने आप को उस पावर्स में. इतनी पावर्स हमारे अंदर है, वो सारी पावर्स बाहर आने लगेगी. वो पावर्स जो आएगी ना, then you will start seeing कि oh my god, this is something I have it in me only. Because there is that power which you have, you need to activate that and get into that. That's a big within you, but सब कुछ अंदर डाउटफुल बना के कहीं पे रख दिया है. For that we need to go to the lengthier process, but I will just share right now. You have an option to move on with the 12 months commitment. The best price 29,999. एक साल भर काम करोगे, but that will be the price which you will be making it up after I come back. It's a powerful VIP mentorship package which is going to be where you will receive from me one-to-one support also, and I will be working with you every time. You can message me. I am there with you to shift that energy continuously. I'll work with you guys. People who are registering with 3,000 rupees right now, they will be paying just the balance 9,999 and just start working with me for the 1 year. And I'm like, won't be able to show you what energy you will shift into and come back to your life. It's unbelievable because those accessible of powers of you which you have with you, you will see yourself. Do you want to give yourself 1 year? You want to give yourself 3 months? You have given yourself whatever the age you are now. Or you've started from 10 years, say, working and you haven't seen what you wanted to see. You've been working from 20 years and you haven't seen what you wanted to see. That's the shift. That's the action step which we need to take right now. Now, quickly, I'm going to share the link of the payment. People who are ready to take that action step, do the payment and share the screenshot right now in the group. And then we will start with the today's powerful ritual which we have designed for today's energy to bring it back in your own energy. And you need to continue to do this. Yes, here I'm sharing the screenshot. Quickly, whoever is ready, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. That's how I'll come to know which package you are looking for and how much of time you want to give yourself to shift yourself. If you think you've been stuck here from really long time, I need to really work, ma'am, then you need 1 year, 3 months, 1 year, whatever it is, take that action step. Take that action step right now. Come on camera, all of you now. Okay, the meditation, come on camera, each one of you, please. The meditation which we finished right now, you guys can practice this throughout the day also today. Do this practice. Keep that energy of yours which you collected right now here. Continuously try doing it. One is the meditation way which I made you visualize. Now, second method we are going to do. Try and keep 500, 100, whatever the note with you throughout the day. Just feel that and feel that love for the money. Bring back that fear सब निकाल के मनी के लिए प्यार निकालो, मनी के लिए फीलिंग लेके आओ. It's there, yeah, it's there in abundance. बहुत है पैसा. Just get that energy of yours somewhere से कि start believing कि बहुत पैसा है and मेरे लिए भी बहुत पैसा है. और उसको एनर्जी को लाने के लिए आज सबूत के तौर पे रखो अपने ऊपर, हाथ में पैसा रखो, फील रखो उसको, एनर्जी दो कि थैंक यू सो मच बीइंग विथ मी एंड यू आर ऑलवेज देयर विथ मी वेन एवर आई नीड यू, आई एम सो ब्लेस्ड. और see yourself whenever you had that really big money with you and maybe अभी नहीं है, या फिर see your future self thinking about it कि यार मेरे पास तो बहुत पैसा है. बड़बड़ाओ ऐसे ही, बोलते जाओ बोलते जाओ बोलते जाओ बोलते जाओ बोलते जाओ, तब जाके कहीं पे RAS, रेटिकुलर एक्टिवेटिंग सिस्टम, जो कहीं डीप है वो बॉक्स, अंदर में क्या बैठा है कि मेरे पास नहीं है नहीं है नहीं है. बहुत सारे लेयर्स पार करके तुम्हारी ये बिलीफ को अंदर जाना पड़ेगा, तब तुम वापस उसको अट्रैक्ट करोगे. उसको अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए तुम्हें बहुत सारी लेयर्स पास करके जाना पड़ेगा, ऐसे ही नहीं आएगा. एक दिन के बाद, एक छोटी सी रिचुअल के बाद नहीं, बट इट इज 200% पॉसिबल. Yes, all of you come on camera. Now the one powerful ritual we are going to do is take your pen and the book. Keep that money with you. Just hold it, feel it. कि मेरे पास तो बहुत है यार. I am arigato abundance. Keep saying this word also, which we discussed yesterday in the group. Arigato abundance. Very powerful word है वो. And bring this, keep this note in your hand. Take your book and the pen. Come on camera, guys, then I'll know okay, whatever I'm telling is going on there. I'll give you 5 minutes. In this 5 minutes, the visualization meditation जो हमने किया, what did you see yourself there? Your future self को तुमने कैसे देखा? अपने आप को क्या, कितना पावरफुल देखा, कितना पैसा देखा, कितना हाउस देखा, या ट्रिप देखा, रिलेशनशिप देखा, हेल्थ देखा, जो भी देखा, जस्ट कीप गो ऑन फीलिंग दैट एनर्जी. जो देखा उसको लिखो. गिव योर सेल्फ कंप्लीट. आई एम गोइंग टू गिव 5 minutes. आई प्ले सम म्यूजिक हियर. 5 minutes तक हम लोग सब लिखेंगे. 5 minutes इज कंटिन्यूअसली, इट मीन्स यू आर गेटिंग बैक टू दैट सेम एनर्जी अगेन. जो शुरू में हमने मेडिटेशन किया, you are getting back to that energy of which is required for you right now again to get into that. Yes. Can you hear the sound now? Perfect. So start just seeing that your future self in that other universe where you were, what you were wearing, how you were looking, what was your bank account, how much of money was around you, or where were you traveling, were you on the sky, on the clouds, what did you see? Completely bring that energy right now with you and write entire your vision. I'm repeating this offer also to you guys. People who have seen this offer, do that right now. Take that action step, because you can take that action step only when you are in this energy, this identity. The minute you switch off and go back after this session, you'll be again doubting yourself. Again, you'll be thinking of that all. You have a 24 hours time, but even in after 2 hours you will be in a doubtful dilemma or thinking yourself. But right now जो energy है तुम्हारी, you can easily take that action step. If you can see your future now also while writing कि दिखने लगा, yeah, actually I can reach there, that's me, not this me. Just give yourself that thought and do that. Yes. Start every sentence with I'm so happy and grateful. Write the date and the time, especially. And keep this place where you're writing with you very much to see next year also. Keep the smile also in your face. Keep your heart smiling. Be happy while writing. Yes, done, all of you? It's more near to 5 minutes. Now we are almost in the end. I'm sure you guys observed your energy while writing. Not yet over, huh? You guys are not yet done, huh? Yes, you should write like this. I'm so happy that you are thinking of continuously writing it again further also. Yes. Can I request all of you or one or two of you, excuse me. So come on camera. Anyone wants to share any of your experience? One person to share what did you go through? People who connected for the first time, or maybe who's already been connected and always felt the same. That will be the great experience to share. Yes, yes, one person.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes. Hi, Ranjit.
Yeah, it
Can
was
you
an
come on
amazing.
camera?
Yeah, yes. Yeah, it was an amazing session. I really enjoyed it. I can still feel the vibration.
Thank you.
And
While writing,
this is the first time that I'm attending your session. And I've been in that group for a long time, but then I've never attended. I couldn't. But today, I don't know. Today is the day.
yes, it's the divine.
Yes.
There is some guidance, some energy connects you. For everything, there's a right time. Whenever he throws you these opportunities, and if you don't still take it and move on in life, we are not helping ourselves. He can't do anything. He's showing these paths to us. He's always there with us. We need to just feel that energy and move on. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, Krishna. You have anything further? Anyone wants to ask anything further? Or
Ma'am, regarding this 6 a.m. Training program, do you have any other alternate times?
that will be decided based on the group, not an issue. Don't block yourself right now that.
Okay, because I already have a session at 6 a.m. every
No
day.
problem. No
So,
problem. I will
okay.
take that call based on people who the way it goes and I will continue. You can just register first because
Okay,
these
thank you.
prices will be one which I will start actual prices once I'm back. I'm traveling somewhere for long. So once I'm back in January, I will launch with 15,000, 20, 25,000, and the 29, 30,000. That's my actual prices for all the three packages. You want to book it right now? That's the important thing which you need to do. Then we'll further work on it. Not an issue.
Yes,
Yeah.
thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. If when you make the payment, please share the
I will. Yeah.
screenshot.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. Anyone else? Yes, Megha?
Uh, Kiran, thank you so much. I just happened, I'm not really attending all the other meetings, but today I happened to see it. I'm so glad. I have been wanting to meditate from a long time, and this was a beautiful, energy that I felt. And, you know, um, no words to explain. Very, very good feeling, very positive feeling. A lot of good things. I'll join you. I'm particular about morning. Evenings are a little difficult for me. So I'll, make a payment and I'll join for your morning sessions.
Perfect. Once
Yeah.
you register, thank you
Yeah.
so much. You can share the
Thank you.
screenshot.
Sure,
Thank
sure.
you.
Thank you. Thanks.
Yes, anyone has any question regarding the offer which I have given? Anyone has any doubt or question? No, I assume no. All of you are very clear about my offers also. And people who are doing this registration, you are going to share the screenshot in the same group, and I will be adding you in the next group. And today's day, continue your this energy where whatever we started with to keep that energy throughout the day with you, at least for today, one day be in that energy. Enjoy your entire day. Thank you so much for joining me for this ritual. And people who attracted something very miraculously, please share. I expect miracles. Yes, when I do these sessions, I expect miracles. Keep your expectations, expecting continuously the miracles, and please share those miracles. Universe is watching you. When he gives you something, he is watching you. Are you keeping that with you, or you're sharing it to someone and make it multiply? It's something you need to share it and multiply your whatever that what you have manifested in your life. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really enjoyed with whatever the ritual we went through, and hope anyone more of you have this any questions, you can continue to connect with me. Some of the one-on-one to one sessions I do take. Yes, not many, but yeah, depends again. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for joining today. Bye. Have a great day. Continue to expect miracles.
Thank you. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Kiran.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thanks, Megha. Thank you, Ranjit. Thank you, Manisha, Amrita, Preeti, Yogesh, staying back, Purnamasi. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye.